In the video tutorial Basic, Working with Active Layers, we will explain how the presentation for data layer can be modified. I have prepared a sample of a map to illustrate some of the functions. In our example you can see in the layer tree, 3 layer groups. Let us select one of the active layers and enable the Edit Layer menu with the right mouse click or clicking the arrow right of the layer name. Active displayed layers are highlighted in orange. Layer information can be found by selecting the menu item, Layer Info. A window will display the information to the data layer. Click Close if you are finished reviewing the data layer information. Let's see what we can find out about the data presentation. If available, legend information can be viewed. The legend information gets displayed in a separate window. Click Close if you are finished reviewing the legend information. To adjust the presentation of the layer on the map you can modify the transparency of the data with a slider. You can see the result of adjusting the slider directly on the map. The lesser the opacity of the layer, the more information will come through from underlying layer data. Let's add some more layers from the data catalog. Click on Add Layer and open Data Browser. The Data Browser allows you to search or browse the data sources to find data layers. By searching you can use also filters. You can filter by defining a region on the map, you can filter on the layer data type, and you can filter by selecting the source of the data layer. In our example we searched for data layers containing the word Africa. Press Enter to start searching. Let's select this one. On the right side of the window you can see data layer information from the catalog. By clicking Add to Map the data layer will be received in the layer group. Let us select a second data layer and do the same. When finished we can click the Close button. By clicking the checkbox next to the new active layer we realize that the layer is overlapping the information of the underlying data layer. Another option would be to rearrange the layers by drag and drop. Let's organize our layer tree with a new layer group. Click on the command icon, Layer menu, and select Add Layer Group. In our example we give our layer group the name Africa. Under description you can give more details to the layer group. To create the new group click on Create. Let's move the layers we added before with drag and drop to the new created layer group. Let's give our layer a meaningful title. Click with the right mouse on the data layer name for the menu. Select Edit Layer. I prepared a title already which I just paste into the entry field with Ctrl+V. To finish, click Save. As you can see it is easy to organize your personal map for your own needs. You can rename any element, change the visualization and presentation. Don't forget, if you want to save the changes which you made in the map you need to log in first. In your layer tree you can see there are red indicates on the left upper corner which indicate that this layer data is not stored on the map. If you close the client now the changes will be lost. Here is a quick summary to the tutorial for working with active layers. This finalizes the tutorial basics, working with active layers.